You ever wonder what a block would say if concrete could talk? Probably wouldn't start with the loud stuff. It'd probably start with the little things. That hoop's seen more summers than I can count. Kids grow up, move on, but the game stays the same right here on this block. That rim probably know 3 generations by their jump shot. The sound of those feet running down the block, it echoes. The hoop stays, even when the players move on. That porch watched babies become grown folks. That tree was young when some people's grandparents was. Funny how something can stand still and watch everything change. See that empty lot? Wasn't always empty. Even what's gone leave a shape behind. That little man think he just playing ball, but he walking the same steps his granddaddy did on this block.
Time leaves its marks on the street and in the faces that walk it.
You look just like your daddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes the block remember people through somebody else's face.
Everything out here been repaired at least once.
The block remembers. In the cracks of the sidewalk, where generations have played, the past lives alongside the present.
I got it, watch this.
We leave our marks, big and small. And if you stay long enough, you see those marks turn into history.
People included.
And while we busy remembering yesterday, somebody living tomorrow's memory right now. He sits on the same porch his granddaddy built, watches the young ones walk by, laughing. Every crack in this sidewalk holds a story.
Folks come. Folks go.
But something always stay behind. We call it the past. The block just call it memory.